Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Razer Kraken V3 X headset to your Xbox. First, let's prepare for the connection. Take a moment to find the single 3.5mm audio jack on your Kraken V3 X headset. Next, locate the 3.5mm audio port, typically found on the bottom edge of your Xbox wireless controller. Make sure your controller is already turned on and properly synced with your Xbox console before proceeding. Now, let's make the physical connection. Carefully take the 3.5mm audio jack from your Kraken V3 X headset and firmly insert it into the audio port on your Xbox controller. You should feel a secure fit and possibly hear a small click, indicating it's fully seated. It's important not to force the connection, as this could damage either your headset's jack or the controller's port. A gentle, firm push is all that is needed for proper connection. With your headset connected, it's time to fine-tune your audio settings on the Xbox. Press the large, illuminated Xbox button in the center of your controller to bring up the guide menu. From there, scroll over to the Audio and Music section. Here, you can adjust several important settings, including your overall headset volume, the balance between game audio and chat audio using the chat mixer, and how much of your own voice you hear through mic monitoring. Experiment to find your ideal sound. Finally, let's test everything to ensure your Kraken V3 X is working perfectly. Join an Xbox party chat with a friend and speak into your microphone to confirm it's picking up your voice clearly. Also, listen carefully to ensure both game audio and chat audio are coming through your headset and are balanced to your liking. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your Xbox console and controller can often resolve common connectivity problems. Enjoy your enhanced gaming audio.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.